Use of even though. Well, it shows contrast in a sentence, and it is used by using two different type of clause. The first clause is the fact and the second clause is the unexpected result. As I have said, that first clause tells the fact, means there is no imagination, no any kind of imagination you will see in the first clause, and in the second clause you will see the unexpected, the surprising result. Now let's see with the example. Even though I was getting late, I helped the poor man. Yeah, even though I was getting late is the fact. भले ही मैं late हो रही थी, it's a reality. Actually, I was getting late for somewhere. Still, what I did, I helped that poor man. Like, I was not supposed to help that person as I was getting late for somewhere, but still I did. Still I did. I helped that man. So this was something unexpected which I did. So this is the second clause, and that will be unexpected. The result is unexpected what I did. Now the second example is, even though I was unwell, yeah, even though I was unwell, I went for a picnic. So this is what the first clause is, even though I was unwell. Actually I was not well, I was not feeling well. Still what I did, I went for a picnic. So this is the second clause, I went for a picnic, and that is telling like this is something unexpected. Going for picnic when you are not feeling well is something unexpected which I did. Now the third example is, so next example is, even though I had not studied well, I got good marks. Yeah, even though I had not studied well is what? The fact. In reality, this is not imagination, whether I actually studied or not. Even though I had not studied, भले ही मैंने पढ़ाई नहीं की थी, this is the fact. I got good marks. This is something very surprising. If you have not studied, how is this possible to get good marks in the examination? But still I got that good marks. So this is something surprising which is telling, which we are seeing in the second clause. Okay, so now I hope you have understood the topic of even though, how it is used in sentence by using two different clauses. The first clause tells the fact and the second clause tells the surprising result. So that's all for today. Thank you.